Hey up guys, it's Dave here writing 41 songs in 41 days. Today is song number 36 and I've just had an idea for a song. It's really simple, really quite silly, but I'm really quite excited about it. I want to write a song about nothing. Let's get cracking.
That idea came to mind because of that riddle, you know, the kids' riddle. What is greater than God, more evil than the devil? The poor have it, the rich need it, and if you eat it, you'll die. And the answer is nothing. I mean, the idea is to basically just use the riddle for the verse. Oh, sugar. The amount of times I've nearly gone arse over tit because the freaking wheels fall off my chair. As soon as I had this idea then, I thought, you know what, I even can hear what I want it to sound like. And then maybe have it open up in the chorus where I'll actually say just like nothing. Go to the D, so it's got the flat 7 major. If I'm in E, and you go back a tone and do a major, so it's a flat 7 major chord. And I'm just going to go D, maybe to the C, add 9. Kind of standard thing. Nothing, nothing. I think that could be a really nice, simple idea for a song. I can hear it in my head what I want this to turn into, and I'm quite excited about it. Okay, so I've decided to keep it really simple structurally. I've found some really simple drum beats for it. I've basically just tightened up a couple of the kick parts to match with the bass line. So let's add the bass line. Right, so I've got the bass line done, I've kept it simple. I'm happy with that, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to layer up maybe the guitars. So each verse kind of develops. So first one is just bass, second one's going to be some acoustic guitars just bringing out the changes of the chords. Third one is going to be the solo, and I've already added like the riff double tracked. I know I should move on to the vocals now, but I kind of just want to record the guitar solo. I'm just going to play and see what happens. I'm sure something will come out. Definitely spent far too long doing that, but I always do, and I don't even think the solo's very good, but I wanted it to be quite raw, and I made a little bit of rule for myself, which is like, just don't do too many, and I've got something, but for a demo it's good enough. So let's try and do some writing of the lyrics now. So the riddle itself is, what is greater than God, more evil than the devil? The poor have it, the rich need it, and if you eat it you'll die. I need to try and work that into some lyrics. Oh, fucking, not fucking ink. What is greater than God? What is more evil than the devil? The poor have it, and the rich need it, and if you eat it, you'll die. I'm just repeating the same lines. I've just tried to make it sound bluesy. I'm not overly impressed with my voice, as per usual. Let's try and record the chorus vocals now.
What I've really liked about today's song is the enthusiasm that I felt to do it, and I don't really know why this one in particular made me feel this way. And don't get me wrong, the song isn't perfect. I definitely feel like I should have really written some different lyrics for the second verse, but I'm quite happy with it, and I really like the actual sound of the song. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.